Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's Steven here, and today we are installing corner markers in the LC500. Let me show you what I got. Currently my corner markers are wrapped. I vinyl wrapped them, just a dark smoke color. I just didn't like how it looked before, so we're going to swap them out. Here's what I have. These are smoked sequential LED, so these will go right in there. I believe they tape on the inside, so we're going to pull the fender liner out and see what we can find in there. So from what I can tell, there's a clip right here, clip down here, clip right here, and a clip up here. I'm going to try to fold this back and see if I can work inside there instead of taking all this out, wheel off, all that jazz. So if we look inside, in here you have two screws. There's one right there, and there's one, there's one up here, right there. Hard to do with one hand, sorry folks. Two screws right there, one plug in right there, dead in the center. So we're going to work on that. All right, so I took both the screws out, and then let me show you what's going on here. So inside here, basically with the two screws out, we're going to push on this in. So we're going to push this in because it's double-sided taped to the bumper. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing, just pushing it in. It'll pop right out, and then we should be good to go. I ended up grabbing my heat gun. I think you're going to need a little heat to push this out, especially where I'm at. It's pretty cold, and this tape is pretty tight. So I'm going to do light heat, especially since my car's wrapped. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in just to make sure everything works as it's supposed to, and then I'll proceed on with installing. All right, so someone told me these were sequential, but I don't really think these do anything but light up. So we're just going to say that they were wrong on that. So I'm going to go ahead and take the plastic off, peel my tape. When you install these, you got to kind of pull these clips out of the way to get these in. So I'm just going to pull them both off. Slide it in, make sure you're lined up, push it forward, just stick it really good. All right, so now we're going to take our clips that I pulled off, we're going to put them back on. They just go on like this. So And we are done. Here is the corner marker. Here is a before and after. That is how the light looked before. And this is how the light looks after. As always, I appreciate y'all tuning in and watching. If anyone has any questions about this install or any specifics on it, feel free to reach out anytime. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.